Well, this lady says you took her wallet, and it's a giant pain to lose your wallet.
I understand that.
Subsequently, they're in custody right now on a parole violation. All right, I have another show cause. I'm looking for Diana Addison.
So it's Robert.
She's in jail?
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it Robert?
I didn't know that.
No, they're here.
David, I'm still waiting for your client. Why don't you bring Diana Addison? And I didn't know she was here. Does she have something next door?
I don't believe so. I think this was it.
All right. Yeah, bring her in if you would, please.
A parole violation, a missing wallet, and a defendant claiming it's all a misunderstanding. This case spirals fast. What happens when addiction, memory gaps, and alleged theft collide in front of a no-nonsense judge? Let's dive in.
I see why she's in jail. Nine days on a parole violation. Are you working on your pretrials?
Yes, sir.
Have you got any done?
I have one done. It was a resolution at the counter. There's another in custody, but there's a lot going on.
So who do you need to see in custody?
Right?
All right, I didn't know that. Yeah, there's a lot going on. Well, if David's client would show up, we could get him out of here. Tab, no one's logging in from anywhere for anything. Miss Addison, right over here. You're fine. We didn't give you much instruction there.
Put it through the system as guilty through my pool.
All right, well, how do you plead to this charge that you took this lady's wallet?
Guilty, sir.
All right, anybody threaten you to get you to plead to this?
No, sir.
Or promise you anything?
No, sir.
Just a minute. Mr. Gibson, have you talked to your client?
Mr. Rice?
Yes.
Yes.
Do we need to bring him in by Zoom from the jail?
Well, I filed a motion in the case for an evaluation, so
Okay.
that's, I guess, what needs to be heard. So
All right. All right. I'm waiting for anybody else to log in. I've yet to see the visiting prosecutor or the visiting judge. We're in custody of Judge Middleton. You're here on a show cause. You failed to appear for a arraignment on a charge of larceny under $200.
Yes, sir.
The file number here is 251097. It's alleged that on or about March 27th, he stole a wallet that belonged to Donna Root worth less than $200. That happened allegedly in Park Township. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. This apparently happened at the Sitco station on 131 and Marcellus Road. Apparently there's a video of this, and they charge it with this. I learned
Larceny under $200 may sound minor, but it carries up to 93 days in jail. And for someone already on parole, that's a ticking time bomb. Should prior mistakes amplify new charges? Or should each case stand alone?
They're in custody right now on a parole violation. And if you're on parole, I guess this could be a potential violation of your parole.
I've already signed on it.
Yes?
Yeah, so all I have is like just the consequence through here. They've already put it through the system as guilty through my pool.
All right, well, how do you plead to this charge that you took this lady's wallet?
Guilty, sir.
All right, anybody threaten you to get you to plead to this?
No, sir.
Or promise you anything?
No, sir.
Just a minute. Mr. Gibson, have you talked to your client?
Mr. Rice?
Yes.
Yes.
Do we need to bring him in by Zoom from the jail?
Well, I filed a motion in the case for an evaluation, so
Okay.
that's, I guess, what needs to be heard. So
All right. All right. I'm waiting for anybody else to log in. I've yet to see the visiting prosecutor or the visiting judge.
I'm going to try to call the prosecutor if I can
All right, I was told it was supposed to take place in here, but I'll be available to curate this. But just keep me posted, thanks.
Okay.
May I approach your honor?
Yes,
Do you have the sheets for those two?
such as they are, I appreciate your help.
Thank you, of course.
All right, Miss Addison, I didn't tell you your rights, so let's take a minute. Do you understand if you plead to this, you'll be giving up your right to have a trial in front of a judge or jury? There'll be no trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you had a trial, you'd have the right to be represented by an attorney. Could not afford an attorney, the county could appoint one for you at county expense.
Yes, sir.
And all you gotta do is ask me. If you had a trial, you'd have the right to have any of the witnesses for or against you subpoenaed to come to court so they could be questioned under oath. You would have the right to take the witness stand and testify on your own behalf. But you don't have to because you have a right not to testify. If you did not wish to testify, the judge or jury could not hold your silence against you, and you have the right to be presumed innocent unless the state was able to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, now this lady apparently picked you up in March. It was cold, and you're walking down Pulver Road, which is out in the country, and she gave you a ride to the Sitco station?
Yes, sir. And to be honest, it's my bag that's in her counselor that they see me taking. It's not her bag, but she had stopped like 5 times before that. I was just trying to go to my uncle's, and we had stopped there so I could put gas in her car. I paid for the gas that went in her car, so I grabbed my stuff out of her console. It wasn't her stuff. But I don't remember the second part of it because I was coming down off the dope and I was falling asleep in the car from driving around so much.
Which kind of dope?
Methamphetamine.
All right.
I was coming down off of methamphetamine, and so I couldn't remember the
All right.
second half to
Would
know.
you accept that when you took the stuff, you also took her wallet?
I didn't take her wallet. I took my wallet. That's why I paid for the gas.
Well, it said Donna dropped the subject off. Donna noticed her wallet was missing, the contents of the wallet, and it's never about the money. It's about everything else. Your
Right.
driver's license, your credit card, your social security. That's what she says was missing.
So she's saying I took it out of her wallet, and there's no way I'm on camera doing that with anything.
Well, all right, I misunderstood. It was happened not in the store, it happened in the car. Yeah, you took her whole wallet is what she alleges.
This is where it gets complicated. She admits to meth use and memory loss, but insists the wallet wasn't hers. It's a tangle of truth, guilt, and survival. What do you think? Genuine confusion or convenient denial?
Right, I took my wallet out of her console. I didn't take her wallet. My wallet was in her console because we were looking for a pair of shoes out of the back of her car or something, but it fell in there when she had it open. We were looking around. She was looking for stuff to give me, like a pair of shoes and I think a purse or a coat or something. I can't remember. So that's the only thing that I don't remember.
Well, is it possible that you took her wallet, but you don't remember it?
I would have had it.
All right, well then I can't accept your plea because you haven't told me that you did anything. I would accept a no contest plea if perhaps you didn't have a recollection of it.
Right, I'm just saying, I don't remember taking it. I never had it. That's the best I can give. I mean, I remember taking my purse out of the console, and I remember going in and paying for the gas.
I'm not gonna force you.
I'm definitely on camera paying for the gas.
All right, well, this lady says you took her wallet, and it's a giant pain to lose your wallet.
I understand that.
All right, well, I'm gonna indicate I did an arraignment, plea failed.
Nobody's offered me a plea or anything.
Well, you just pled to this, but I can't accept your plea unless you tell me that you did something. And right now you're denying that you took it. I offered the other option. If you don't remember what happened, I can take it as a no contest.
I can do the no contest.
All right, well, let me explain that. By pleading no contest, you don't admit what happened. but you also don't deny what happened. You would allow or accept that a conviction would enter. Are you willing to do that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, because either way, it would even out my karma, I guess, because I have done wrong things. And like I said, I don't remember the whole day. So yes, I'll accept that.
All right. I'm waiting to even out my karma. I don't know if I'll finish like
It's a yin and a yang, sir. You have to
I'll be
appreciate the
fr-
good and the bad.
I hope to break even at the last day. All right, lack of recollection due to meth. What has your PO done?
I sat in Kalamazoo County. I think I was there about 3 weeks before they let me out.
And now you've been here for 9 days?
Yes, sir.
Do you have an out date?
Not yet. I'm going to a rehab though. Hopefully, as long as my parole agent agrees with it, I'll be going to a rehab. That's the end goal for all of this.
Who's your PO?
Bobby Newman. Sorry.
Newland.
Yes.
All right, I want to talk to her. I'm going to set this for, and I'll find out about restitution. Set this for sentence for Thursday morning.
This Thursday?
Mhm.
Okay.
10:16. See what I got Thursday morning. At 9:30. All right, I'll accept your plea of no contest. You're here. I'm gonna see what your PO has in mind. I'm gonna see if the prosecutor has a restitution figure for this lost wallet. And I'll see you Thursday morning.
In the end, the judge accepts a no contest plea, meaning she neither admits nor denies the crime. Sentencing awaits, but the bigger question lingers. Justice or just procedure? Drop your thoughts, hit like, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns.
Morning at 9:30.
Yes, sir.
Okay.